How to delete your Instagram account. This tutorial is performed using an iPhone. First, open the Instagram application on your phone. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your image in the bottom right hand of the screen. Then, select the More button, which is the button on the top right hand of the screen with 3 horizontal lines. Select Account Center. Select Personal Details. At the bottom of the Personal Details screen is a selection for Account Ownership and Control. Select this option. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. If you have other accounts like a Facebook or Meta account, you will have to specify by selecting which account you would like to delete. Once you have selected which Instagram account you want, you will be prompted to create a password that will allow you to reactivate. Once complete, select a reason for leaving, then continue until your account is deleted. Like and subscribe.